A lot of Shopify stores lose sales because they look incomplete and unprofessional. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a clean review and footer section that build trust and improve conversions. And if you are a business owner looking for a clean Shopify store design, this tutorial will give you structure. So to add the review section, click on Add Session, then click on Icon with Text. So you will edit the text to add your review text. Then you will import the icons one after the other. You will resize it. Then you can change the color as well. So once you upload you will group the icons into a group. So you will put the start direction to horizontal. Then you will go to the other review. Then you will do the same process. You will edit the review text. So you will put the start direction to horizontal. So to do the footer, you will click on add session, then you will click on footer. So once you done that, you will delete the content inside the footer. So you will add your own content. So you will add the logo, you will add each content that you want to add into your footer. You will have group for each footers. So once you do it, you can align this space so your footer need logo. So to change the footer color, you will click on the footer, then you will click on color scheme. So you will change the color scheme to scheme 5.